Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to convert your HDFC Bank credit card transactions to EMI option. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to the credit card you want to manage. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. Scroll down to locate the section called Unbilled Transactions. Click the drop-down arrow to view your transactions. Select the transaction you want to convert to an EMI. Click on the Convert to EMI button. You will see available tenure options and the applicable interest rate. Choosing a tenure will display the corresponding monthly installment amount below. Please note that a one-time processing fee will be charged along with the interest. Select your preferred tenure option. Accept the terms and conditions, then click on Continue. Click Confirm to proceed. Choose your preferred verification method, for example SMS. Click on Continue. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP. Click Continue to finalize the process. That's it, your transaction is now converted to an EMI. This is how you can convert your HDFC Bank credit card transactions to an EMI option. Thank you for watching.